Trust Wallet token. Now, Trust Wallet is honestly one of the most used wallets. Really, only MetaMask beats it. And actually, with the just huge surge of usage for Binance Smart Chain, you got to think that Trust Wallet's going to do something this bull cycle. So we're going to dive into this. Now, before I get into it, if you are new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. These were cryptos that I thought could do very well, could make a lot of money, which is obviously why I showed myself buying them up. These were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle, as well as what your profits would have been if you'd have popped $100 into the coins. If you'd done that for every single one, a $2,600 investment in the last bull cycle would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand, and it only took 16 months, which is pretty good. Now, you don't have 16 months to get things sorted. We are in a bull cycle right now, and if you've got coins you're not happy with, if there are cryptos that are not performing for you, you have got to get it sorted. If you don't know where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer that I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You guys get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members the coins I own. Whenever I find a crypto that I think can do well, like many of these did, I jump onto the site. I talk to my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price I will buy at. I do the same when I sell, so there is no work for my members. They are in and out of coins, same price, and they make the same profit. If you go onto the site, you can see some of the profits that the members have made. You can see some of the successes that led to those profits. Whether it was a meme coin we held for a fortnight that did a 300x, or Phantom, which did nearly a 700x in the last bull cycle, and made some of my members millionaires. It's all public record. If you go into the old videos on this channel, you can verify it all. And if you like what you see after you've read through the site, and you want to find out the coins that will be the winners in this bull cycle, all you have to do to find out about the cryptos is join up on the site. Now, Trust Wallet. So, 270,000 holders, Trust Wallet. It's been around quite a while now. Launched back in 2020. Only 1.6 cents. It did hit an all-time high in 2022, actually, right at the end of 2020. Right towards the end of 2022. And that all-time high was a whopping $2.72. So it's way off there at the moment, about 3x. Now, Trust Wallet itself is an all-in-one wallet. If you are particularly bothered about Binance Smart Chain, although they have obviously also added other blockchains now. So it's a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports dozens of assets across Ethereum, Binance, and Tron. Holders get a ton of different benefits when using Trust Wallet, which are discounts on in-app purchases and on the use of the DEX services. TWT holders can also participate in the governance of Trust Wallet. It was initially launched as a Binance on Binance Chain, but it was relaunched on Binance Smart Chain in 2020. And that makes total sense, especially with the significant growth that we've seen for Binance Smart Chain. That was always inevitable, to be honest, because the speed of it is so good. The cost of it is so good. It's a genuinely solid competitor to Ethereum. In fact, it's far outdoing Ethereum these days. TWT can be transferred with extremely low fees and near instant confirmation times. The founders of Trust Wallet are Viktor Radchenko, and he also co-founded Trucker Path, which was a company behind one of the most popular apps for truckers and logistics. The platform was acquired by Binance in July of 2018. We don't know what the fee was. It wasn't a public one, but it is known to comprise of 20 individuals now. Trust Wallet itself is obviously buyable everywhere. Oh, mental there. Trust Wallet is obviously buyable everywhere, I think, except Coinbase. I think Coinbase is literally the only one that you can't get it from. It's been downloaded millions of times, a couple 100,000 holders. As you can see, the chains now have expanded quite nicely. You've got BNB, Bitcoin, Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot, just to name a few. You can deposit from crypto from the exchanges. Obviously, and then you can use the in-app features. The mobile app is actually exceptional. You can basically connect to any DEX, any DApp that is knocking about. The features of Trust Wallet are exceptional. And the integrations now are massive. There is a browser extension as well, so you can get it up onto your computer. It doesn't have to be specifically a wallet for your phone. Something that is worth bearing in mind as well with regards to Trust Wallet is MetaMask, and I'll expand on that. So MetaMask is the most used wallet in the world. Now, MetaMask, we've always been wondering about a MetaMask coin for ages. There is MetaMask USD, which is a cryptocurrency stablecoin launched by MetaMask. But MetaMask itself, its own crypto, it's kind of staggering at this point that Consensus, that Joe Lubin haven't pushed forward on a MetaMask coin. If you think about the potential for it, it's enormous. You're talking about, realistically, if MetaMask release a coin, this will be a top 20 crypto, maybe even top 10. It's the most used wallet in the world. It is, so many people have used it. They could do an airdrop not dissimilar to kind of the way that Uniswap worked. Uniswap had one of the most successful airdrops of all time. Anyone that was an early user got thousands of dollars worth of Uniswap, which ended up for many being worth about 40 grand. And you could apply the same principle for MetaMask. If that is to happen, my God, do wallets go wild. It won't just be MetaMask that obviously does very, very well. It will be Trust Wallet. It will be, any decentralized wallet. And it would probably reinvigorate a sort of narrative around security within the crypto space. I mean, Jesus Christ, in 2021, we saw a bunch of exchanges go under, or crypto projects go under that were centralized projects that burnt people hard, whether it was Celsius, FTX. There's plenty of examples. And a MetaMask launch would, I think, cause Trust Wallet to skyrocket. Brand new all-time high, piece of piss. Now, the problem is with that possibility, we've been waiting for like 5 years, 6 years now of just pure speculation about a MetaMask coin. At this point, I almost don't think they're going to do it, but I also do, because I think it would be wild for Consensus not to release the coin. Think about it from the perspective of the crypto gets launched, the team have 10% of the tokenomics. MetaMask would launch, it would immediately skyrocket as a top 50, top 20, maybe even top 10 crypto. Market cap would be enormous. Net worth of that money that the team pay themselves would be through the roof, or even Consensus's company would be through the roof. It would make them so much. It's staggering to me. It's very similar to the kind of base premise, except Coinbase are already making tons. I still think Coinbase will end up creating a base token, but we'll leave that for now. If that happens, yeah, Trust Wallet does very, very well. Now, the reality is I think this is going to go to an all-time high anyway. I really, really do. I really, really do. And part of that is down to the usage on Binance Smart Chain, because it's just through the roof. Binance Smart Chain, I mean, I'm recording this on a Saturday, so volumes will be lower. But even now, we jump on, quick scan, $5 billion worth of volume in 24 hours on Binance Smart Chain. Trust Wallet will be heavily used in that. They have their own token. I think Trust Wallet is going to hit $3. I really, really do. And I think there is a world that it could hit $5. Because the reality is that, again, I think there's going to be some shifts in Binance, whether Binance become a kind of a publicly traded company, kind of similar to Coinbase, whether Binance Smart Chain, or Binance itself becomes such a heavy ETF play where tons of money starts flowing in from institutions, and then they'll flow in, and then we'll start seeing more risk diverse plays like Trust Wallet token or Pancake Swap. But Binance is going to go through some evolutions over the next sort of 12 to 18 months, and those shifts are going to affect everything underneath. Trust Wallet will be one of them, but I think that those evolutions are going to be for the net good of the overall price of everything underneath Binance, a BNB token. So interesting play. It's a safer play, a much safer play than many crypto plays out there, but it's still high, but it's still risk. But I think $3 to $5 definitely potential here. It's quality wallet as well. If you've never got it, just download it and have a little play. You'll see how many dApps are integrated. It's so goddamn easy to use. I actually think it's better than MetaMask in many, many ways. But let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. What's your favorite wallet? Let me know as well. And guys, we are in a bull cycle, and if you're not happy with the coins you own, if the cryptos you own are not performing, you've got to get it fixed. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You guys get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members the coins I own. Whenever I find a crypto that I think can do very well, like many of these did, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the crypto, the reasons it can do very well, and the price I will buy at. I do the same when I sell, so there's no work for my members. They're in and out of crypto, same price, so they make the same profit. Go onto the site, you'll be able to see some of the profits the members have made. You'll be able to see some of the successes that led to those profits. It's all public record, so you can verify it all on the history of this channel. Whether it's a meme coin we held for a fortnight that did a 300x, whether it's Phantom, which myself and my members got in at 0.5% on Phantom. It went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. Bunch of my members became millionaires. Like I said, you can verify it on the old videos on this channel. And if you want to find out the coins that will be the winners in this bull cycle, all you have to do to find out is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.